You might think it would be relatively easy to get through an entire vacation in Belgium without getting into too much trouble. But just to make sure, here are 5 food no-nos to avoid in Belgium. Know before you go. Number 1. Don't try to drink all the beer. Belgium has an incredibly wide variety of beers for tasting, and Belgians take great pride in their locally brewed beers, with more than 1,000 different varieties. It's impossible to sample them all in a short period of time, so don't even try. 2. Don't leave without tasting some chocolate. Belgian chocolate is some of the best chocolate in the entire world! Even if you aren't a chocolate fan, Belgian chocolate may just change your mind. 3. Don't tip. Gratuity is included on most bills, so you don't need to worry about doing any more than paying the bill that you're handed. 4. Don't insult Belgian beer. Should you run across a Belgian brew that's not to your liking, just keep it to yourself and order something different for the next round. Belgians take their beer very seriously. 5. Don't skip the fries. This traditional Belgian dish can be found everywhere, from upscale eateries to carts on the street. They're not exactly healthy, but the benefit to your emotional well-being is incalculable. Unless, of course, we were to mention that they're fried in horse fat. Where do you want to know what not to do in next? Comment below!